Here with the Dyson V8, and I've charged the battery. I have the attachment on to, do rugs. And so, Luke, can you crumble these crackers up on the floor over here and make a mess right there? Okay, that's good. All right, well, let's see. We'll see how this works. Okay, no, you could leave some large pieces. It's fine.
When you do it again, can I?
Okay, we have it on max suction. Luke, let me just show the people how this works, please. Wait, before you do that, wait, I want to just change it to the regular extended run high suction for this. Let's see how that works. Well, it picks everything up.
Yeah.
Okay, turn them off. Don't turn them off. All right, so everything. Okay. All right, so let me just go back here now. Let me just tell the people.
See these?
So everything was picked up, and it worked well. It felt, you could feel a little more of it sucking than another vacuum that I just. But it still doesn't, like my animal, like we used to almost suck the rug into it. So I think they found a way that you can glide it across easily, and it still has a lot of suction without feeling like it's sucking the rug in. Because even in max suction, when I have it on the max suction, you can feel it sucking the rug a little bit, but doesn't feel like how the animal does. It works fine, and I'll show you the different attachments and things like that in the other videos.